Hey guys, just going over a dish that I'm making tonight, and we have a chicken breast that I cut into pieces. I also have bacon in here, so I use bacon, probably three slices of bacon I cut up and sauteed, and I put a little olive oil to start. Got my, I have whole clove garlic in here, as garlic is a healthy, beautiful flavor. And oops, there's a piece of garlic right there. And I browned it, probably 3 or 4 of them. There's another piece of, crushed garlic clove. And sauteed it, and I added some broccoli. Okay, and it's ready to season with your base. This is a base, so you can season with all different things. You can use a barbecue sauce. You could split it in half and have 2 different things. You could do a teriyaki. I just pulled these out as options for you, right? I have a curry. I have a tiki masala, and I have a tandoori, and I have a red hot, Frank's Red Hot, which I enjoy. And I always add a little bit of salt, pepper, because that's a fresh Malabar peppercorn that I have. I'm going to do a little bit of the tandoori masala. Okay, well, that has a nice flavor. I'm gonna flip it around. I'm gonna turn my heat off. Boy, it smells beautiful. Okay, and I have a video on the tandoori. If you've never tried this, it's beautiful stuff. And there's like 11 seasonings in there. And but again, just how simple is this dish? I have my my sautéed chicken breast with bacon and garlic, whole garlic cloves, whole crushed. I sautéed and brought my meats to almost finish, and then I incorporated my, not finished, but almost finished. Then I incorporated my broccoli. I'm finishing up, and then I'm seasoning. I'm doing the particular season with a tandoori. I'm going to add a little bit of the Frank's Red Hot Buffalo. So basically, what I'm producing is a little spicier tandoori masala. And there's your dish. And let's get a little plated here. Beautiful. That's for 2 people. Costs about, I don't know, $8 for 2 people. Isn't that a nice thing? Let me give this a little taste. Boy, I love that. I'll make everybody in the house happy. Remember, this is a spicier, but you can use this dish as a base. Chicken, garlic, bacon, broccoli, or vegetables of your choice. And generate your seasoning with all the different flavors that I have to offer, or that you like, and then serve. Inexpensive. Okay, guys? Thanks a lot. Enjoy chef-like food.